name is Yvette du Toit. I work for Burstone as the Global Head of Operations. And we operate across 9 geographies globally. And we are focused on really building an exceptional client experience in property. We've been live on MRI for 1.5 years. We started in Europe as our first phase of implementation and go live, and then we went live in South Africa. So we were part of the Investec stable, which is a very big corporate bank, and we split out as a listed fund to run our property business. We had to build our infrastructure from scratch, literally from the ground up. And we had to just explore every single infrastructure that we have in our business today. And we needed to select a system that's multi-currency, multi-jurisdiction, operates across multiple geographies, and a company that's invested in AI, in technology, in digital transformation and innovation. If we want to be the best at what we do in an international funds business management, then we have to partner with people who are and do the best in their industry, and in MRI are just exceptional. And so their software and their vision is something that could keep up with us in the next 10 to 15 years. And so that is why we decided is that these are the right people to partner with, and they're going to take us to where we need to go. And so that's why we partnered with them. The reason you try to become more efficient is to create capacity for your teams so that the people can focus on the right things. It really impacts every layer of your operations, and we're a firm believer in that your infrastructure has to reflect your culture. PMX has empowered us to bring that part of our culture into our day-to-day processing and accounting and reporting. And so PMX just brings that flexibility to be able to trust the system to make the decisions that reflects our culture. It's agile, you can be autonomous, it's quick, it's efficient, it's trustworthy. And I think that's the real win for us, is to have infrastructure that aligns with our culture. The thing about MRI is that you partner with people. And the people that you partner with when you embark or use any of their tools are people who are future focused, are people who look beyond the now, and are people who still put people first, even in the tech space. And so that combination of driving innovation at an extreme pace, right, but still knowing that people are your most valuable asset is the future. The future of software and of business is to remove the nature and the fragmented systems that have manual data transfer, multiple tools that can't deliver the value to you. The focus of MRI on building that ecosystem to bring intelligence together is what sets them apart. You can get a lot of software that works for you, but are you going to partner with people who make that software an ecosystem to give you the intelligence you need bespoke to your business? I'm not sure there's so many companies that can do that.